Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Uber stock fluctuations, full guide step by step clearly. To understand how to manage Uber stock fluctuations, start by researching market trends. Identify factors that impact Uber's stock price. Analyze financial news related to Uber and the rideshare industry. Examine quarterly earnings reports for insights into company performance. Look into competitor performance and market share changes. Review analyst ratings and target price forecasts for Uber stock. Create a stock watch list of similar companies for comparative analysis. Monitor social media and investor forums for public sentiment. Utilize technical analysis tools to track stock patterns. Set defined goals for your investment strategy. Consider dollar cost averaging to mitigate price volatility. Explore options trading strategies as a way to hedge investments. Stay informed about regulatory changes that could affect rideshare operations. Review macroeconomic indicators that impact investor confidence. Keep an eye on major partnerships or expansions that Uber may announce. Regularly reassess your investment thesis as new information becomes available. Consult with a financial advisor if you need tailored advice. Establish an investment timeline based on your financial goals. Document your insights and adjustments in your investment plan. Remain patient and avoid emotional trading decisions. Continue educating yourself about stock market dynamics and Uber's business model. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.